chi allergies, cancer
nonye no mochando bwa maino amaina ali yako na gusumbwa ntobwata mariogo ya maino ntobwata mariogo ya marwaire yemeki emeki eri tichete emeki ngo tichere ya chikore ntoboko ngwa senkoro igonga mariogo ali yago tichore emeki gusako igore emeki yagera manyinga tarabiya ntonyabwate ntobwata mariogo ali yago akorusia machando yechi joint chiri chikobuga borwaire bori tokorokanga osteoporosis na boro buno borwaire bochandeta abantu baito na boro bwa mariogo na rororo nkorigere litore nonye na respiratory system abantu barokonyora egekuba kiabo takonyara gutire getiro
epilepsy na boigo amarwaire andamange
na inda mariogo aya nigo tokonyarusia ase chinse cheisikobu na bono USA mariogo nari tokorusia stokoroka Los Angeles California eyere in USA na inde nkorustora mariogo anda ase chinse chiri tokorokanga Malaysia ayande nkorware India na ayande nigo tokonyarusia China
asamange bakeresimi ase namba 0717176383 HK International Medical Center. Your health is your wealth.
Gusie bono na bukwegokia asogo sonja etibi ya wanje tega Tembe Television Network wetera Zuku Satellite Channel number 038 egoki nimirulu ao ya Tembe Television Network ayene amatiao kuli miensi ya Kenya ili ya Tanzania Uganda Malawi wikanonya Zambia egulire edekoda ya Zuku chinga kichiga chimereka je Christmas amonogo chingira ku mwaka muya iliwego kinemirulu yitu ao inyoranga nigo okonyora a channel ya Getembe wetera ase Zuku Satellite Channel number 038 Getembe Television Network ekeonga kia mwamogusi.
Wancho murigirire mwanya wanto wasanira ebiro gete na kere ebiro ebyo bigoika andi kwa bolianga vitale kobabuya wasanire mbura kegoto wate vitale kubara wasanira omugaso kubara na rwate banga etale gotonya no nyangake kolende onsi na masisino na boigomero bire ya Nyasaye. Karibu sana asekionga chinse ikomi chabono murago bali tukoneria Jumatano chitariki ninye umutinyo gatatu mwaka oyoiga wechiribubire 20 na isano 25 nemo ilietariane Matilda Obayo. Karibu sana sikionga chinse ikomi chabono maragoba kirango chaga korase wodi yaitibo iyo gotoka ye bunge ya North Mugirango ase county ya Nyamira nikobono omo MCA wechinse mecho omoske lame kisekwea osomanyikane tebuna enana anyalde gututerale chingumba buna nigo amagenderero agokorwa na gweterwa asigati yechinyomba egete kakwana na baliki bamangana maya nigo atebire korengana nere nigo agokora amagenderero ali amorengete hosi ali abonete gwikirania nabo igo tari gukora wanchereria konde wensi hochase chinyomba gete buna egati yabaga kabesokia na kwemurungania bagotebuna serikali county ya Nyamira nigo yaberege koba eba hasensemo ya magendero nabo igo nonye nasi amabaga yemeremo
nte y'abanyakoni ba minto na karo devolution yego chaka county government kitabugati bakori gasi no yomo ni nutu ayeto bugambi mbaka njegwea na fortreti nyanchama agasoe county devolution buneko chaka chi staffs Nyamira boni ga baroli almost 5000 kero bare 5000 na uba etwe chance yokorika abantu gochie county asonde bwensi atayo no yomo abantu bamwe abo nande bamagonjoka after barikeira abana babo nande bonjoka bachaka gosekereria abantu baito after kere county yarikira abafanyikazi mpaka wage bill ya etaniri boni ga abafanyikazi ebakori 70% ye budget ya Nyamira county igo bunando mwe MCA igana aswa 2022 gentonke yo bantigirete ndarike no enekemo because chi staffs chionsipi abeshimiwa baswete 2013 na uba etu amabagayu barenge kurika abantu lakini nje nasoire miaka 3 no 3 tiraera buya bachakire gukura bagambete miaka 10 boni gesabu gwaka neyemo omweshimiwa negete kuigura chipara chia Bunyakoni kionsi pi boisanga na bokurati akagitiga pi boni hesabu gwaka no naye buno mweshimiwa omonto otabuga tipara pi okora priority gose noyo obwato ko maintain for me nje naratete na tiganda arakorera ababande bataratwara batware na barubukinga sene ko bakorera na boni gachipara njire nakorete epare korunya ramba mpaka yaenda iteresi ekorwe nginda yaenda mpaka iteresi eimbo Nyakoniere omweshimiwa Nyanja Makera akorwa agakunye egesima kia ng'ombe gesima ekitakebe tikende ninje najete go equip na 3.5 million eibado na magendrare Bunyakoni ngache pare ya Nyaramba kebabe mpaka Tumbe boni gamfesi twere na nyagwa dirichibeza contractor ya choriru osebuga arani mbo isange kare egento geko kerango baruka jiproka kero kwarageire kurwa so mwana siasa tari okonda gutangaza ase rikondo ase media unambia mono na nono yotogoreire chaega mini ngino ino
Mwana siasa akorose wodi ya Gesusu hiyo kutoka ime bunge ya Nyaribare Masaba ase kaunti ya Kisii mwanyakanete na Jairus Momanyi nigo bono anyare gwesokia nabo yoko motogia goseko batogia abagusi aso gwesokia aso bonge eri kumubwatesia Dr. Fred Matiang'i ane mono asitaro ya nyara okorekana wiki ijaeta chinga kietyo nigo anyare kwemurunganiria obokoreri ase wodi yo ya Gesusu nekera kubora buna nigo inchira omugusia nyara gwesokia chinga kietyo abamenyi be wodi ya Gesusu na robesokie elinde kochora umrayori abaganete konyora amagenderao amaya gosase ayingencho ase amatuko arebosio
Maria Tanguru Jairus Buranda CPA abantu baito ba Kisii County abantu baito ba Gesusu ward asenkorwa natakangiri bageri mbakire muno bemon kigima asengincho maskani mu arokia manene ekero mwana ito Fred Okengo Matiang'i ataragusi mwesokia se nambe nene mugacha kumwarigania ekerane ne principal chia mwabo na inchi natakangiri chinga kichia bene mbatebi na thank you so much asengincho gasi mwakora ubunge buli mwasoka mukaorokia na ande netagete bono toborokie turua mangana yo kora chesta chikura inchi litweso geti no bunge ekara tugo chiko cha Kamasi registration this month na ariko baburia samaskania manene twesokie kero twesokirie tubwate chikura chinyinge igara tuchiko support Fred anda to support abagambi bande bali tugo cha gwakira chikura igara gusiye ite twara magendero bia ase turochi bono monye nondo tararora igo turochi samangana Fred koba president ya Kenya kumuranja samaskania manene monye kende kero abantu bakoreta abantu no bakoreta chibesa abantu bali kabisa lakini itotogete koira ni replica elia beta man engakianya chai so linda samaskania manene itotogete tutebe no will stand with Fred akiri chikurabe president to change kusiya itu to change Gesusu itu igere nalio irabwenera so lende mbiamono sana bantu bane
Mwancho murigere kukwanira amagendero nigo mugavana bwe county ya Kisii Muske Paul Simbarati anyarire gusabwa kokora okunengia kwa magendero ayo gukorekana ase chinsemo kubwa mono korwa ase chinsemo chechi ward oyore umwana siasa korwa sensemo ya abasi chache kaukwana nando oiro monchoreria nigo anyarire kubora buna abananchi nigo bakunyara korerwa ekero asekero iyo igoro ya magendero gukorekana chinsemo korende ayo abange babo batebire tibari kumanya ngakiki agochakorekana nabo igo batari korora obuya bwa magenderero ayo agokwanirwa
nabono seitari gakijira cyabere chinkongo namanya kuburi ngagabana kwende bira gitebi kwatebete ngambira bira gitebi agotare korora bike bigorera abantu amakuru abantu basingirwe kwenda giciro TACD classes ikibono kwa chia chaka umugabano ito Simbarati ya igo waschache intubono twa ngayibono tibira sebya chiede toja gobeka abana bwado tebeti tokoro sina balia abana ba baby city papa abana balia bago chakwa bago chakwa tete TV bago chakwa berande barare ngayibono ntubono waschache gwakibeka ebira sintu ntobwati abama chinsoko tokunya kunga abantu bande barosiri chigo chiwodi chinde chirosiri ahanere wodi ya umugabano ito ngayibono chisoko chito intwe chitariko torgo suwa na into tarasari chinsoka bangina batia ko enda roche ngaki ko enda roche ya erire abantu tia bucha matche chinka chiabo abantu abo basichacha narengo ko baburiga ubugambi ubuya no buko ginu bukero monto tia abantu mwikaransa muhakwana narimo kubanyango bugambi iboko genda guche abantu bocha urumonto yando akemetembo bwe bisa bono kene ngiri moko goso indibono mwakorte public participation n'abantu ba minto iyo moiso abantu teorege turigere libosio ndokaranda makosa rika patlasta ya
Mwanje murigire gutigana nayo umuyiga bwoko basabera batano nomo abo basiria magimabo ase umubasokano bwendege weekend yaeta nigubono onyara gokorekana ase kanisa ya AGC ime ya Karen omochie o Nairobi abarai beche kanisa o abana siasa nabwigo abarai nonyukuru ase serikali nene nigo banyara gusangiririkana nabwigo ase chingukecho kwena na masabo abo na maskani yo mwele ochase batano na nomo abo igati yabo umubunge omurwa ke decree korwa ase county eri ya Narok.
And so I saw people in Omuro Digir on the road, village by village, shouts of hopelessness and a sense of loss for those who depended on him in many ways. So we confront the loss. How do we do it? Al Krolman said, the only cure for grief is to grieve. And I tell the family and all of us loved ones that it's okay to grieve. It is okay to shed tears. It is not okay, though, to curse God and to do it hopelessly. But we have to confront grief. Kenji Mayawasa said we must embrace pain and burn it as fuel for our journey. The loss of Joanna Ngeno is felt so days as if he knew the end was coming. Those have followed a little bit on social media, and he spoke as if he knew that time was coming to the end very soon. 2026 is darkest. That was sad. It's a feeling of the pain and the loss. Many of us do not know that that song was written by someone who was in great pain. Horatio Spafford.
Chinga kiecho abarai ao bakora wano mokonyo bomurai wense muske kidure kindiki nigo babwatuka chinkwana chiabo cha magombo kuchiase chinka echo cha batano nomo kubwa muno kumulira omubunge muske Joanna Ngeno nekira obate bribuna nigo alenge omurai wengencho na abarai ao na brabu bainana ensemo yabo una ekubwatia.
The country has lost our brothers in an accident, and we are praying that God will help us so that we prevent more deaths, whether in road accidents, air accidents, or any other death.
So tukiwa hapa leo, waheshimiwa, ni kuwaaga wa ndugu zetu. We pray to God that all their souls rest in eternal peace. Bishop Langat, we thank you for your homily and the good message you passed to us.
Kwa niaba yangu binafsi na kwa niaba ya familia yangu na kwa niaba ya bunge la Senate, ningependa kupeana risala za rambirambi kwa huzuni kwa familia za ndugu zetu ambao walituacha. Kifo ni kifo, lakini kifo cha ghafla kina uchungu mkubwa. Na bila shaka uchungu huu ndio familia hizi 6 zinasikia kwa sasa.
But I told him that I'm very far, a place called Majimoto Narosura, and that is very far. Then he, as normal, Mheshimiwa Joanna Ngeno laughed. He said, you know, he just went nuts laughing, and then he told me that, Governor, I have a chopper, I can pick you, and then, you know, you can join me later. Little did I know that that was the last day that I'm going to talk to my friend and a son-in-law.
Allow me on behalf of the people of Nairobi, where I think we all live, to say pole. Poleni sana.
And he was very passionate to be with us in our party, ODM. And he wanted to contest the seat in Murwa Dikir on ODM ticket. But unfortunately, after trying to campaign for a few months there, he came back and told us that the constituency where he wants to contest will not vote for him if he stands on an ODM.
Na ikiombe gitenenerete wachori ne chimbebe aiga sensi ya Kenya ya IEBC nigo kiarure okuboria ase abasai aba Kenya kwerikia buna abaki chikura nigo ikiombe kyo bono Kenya rekwarigania omuroberio obene oyo bono sabasai bagusanga ebirengerero byabo ebirongererio aho igoro yobochori buna burakorekane asinchira yobwasioku nabo igokonekia amonchoreria ase ebirogo byoburai umuyigo yo negochakiwe benelitko liarero ase chinsemo cha Uhuru Park emeyo mochie o Nairobi oyora chikoera e weekendi eye rebosio.
For the first time we had very heavy build up to this dialogue. We held high level policy dialogues, convened county town halls, engaged students in high schools, universities and tertiary institutions, and we have also facilitated sector-based conversations. All these voices from counties, from youth forums, from thematic dialogues converge here today, and over the next 4 days, we will refine them, interrogate them, and ultimately shape an issue-based agenda that reflects priorities of citizens. And this agenda will not end here after the 4 days. The conversations will continue because dialogue must be sustained, not seasonal. Friends, this festival has evolved because Kenya has evolved. In the early editions, we relied on panel discussions, structured, formal, leader-focused. Today, our methodology has changed. You will experience town hall-style engagements, cross-generational dialogues, interactive sessions, youth-led conversations, and spaces where questions are not screened and voices are not filtered. You get it as raw as it comes. So, my good friends, the chairman of IEBC, the vice chair, the commissioners, I hope that you have time here today to receive the answers directly from young people. And I know dialogue will try to solve some of the questions that you're looking for the answers. We have moved away from personality-driven politics toward issue-centered engagement. We have moved from monologue to conversation, from spectatorship to participation. And that evolution reflects a deeper aspiration as CMD that we must demand.
Yo na yanda mwangi asinjira engikira nukigima injira ya bene kendra ko yanyora wetera se mitandao yeito yekerero chisemo cha Facebook na voigo YouTube asagotonyora muna Getembe TV na ria chisemo cha TikTok na rotonyora muna Getembe TV and FM yanyora asinjira engikirano ritkoria lero chinsa chamara baba chinsa ibere na voigo chinsa inye nchenkro ko Matilda voigo ambia mona sana asoko kendra ko bumwegeno ime ya Getembe TV chinga kichonsi to sagoske kiagira umuroberio obwekerorano norare twasore nere makopio na voigo mugaka onkorogo ke bacha ngosore asembio.
ne noganye gukorerwa live streaming ase chipejo cha social media cha Getembe nubwate imishangirikano ya gisiasha amatanga chinyangi chibirthday mesangirekano yechikanisa baby shower anniversaries gose ekinyoro kinyomo inyangi usuko kwa kuyomino imijega ao bunabono housewarming parties engagement parties egatie binde bige bono Getembe Television Network nero ego kwayega asirigo lidio gotukutera ninchwe omurekeri ye masege munaba manyi bitabo bare no bamanyi wigoro nigeti byetebwate signal ere enkongo iyigwikira abantu bange asobunge asamange onye kuganiti omurekeriwe nabukulika jumbenge wigogwitira semeria WhatsApp usiku yake simigwitira namba 0741499726.
Lea Wow Kids Daycare ni kituo cha kulea watoto kuanzia mwaka 1 na kuendelea, mahali ambapo mtoto wako anajifunza kupitia michezo, na kukua kwa furaha. Tunatoa huduma za full day na half day katika mazingira safi, salama na yenye upendo. Tunaofanya kazi wenye mapenzi, subira na uangalifu wa hali ya juu kwa watoto wako. Lea Wow Kids Daycare tunazingatia potty training kwa ustadi, michezo bunifu na ya kuelimisha, shughuli za kujifunza zilizopangwa kitaalamu, malezi yanayojenga akili, tabia na kujiamini kwa mtoto wako. Tunapatikana Kisii Town, Hema Business Park, second floor, room number 2. Wasiliana nasi kupitia 0714824433 au 0752901005. Lea Wow Kids Daycare, learning through play, growth with joy.
Omugusi bono lishirika lya ubwanjetiria Getembe Television Network ama na Getembe FM nigo lyakoretero bokorere bwaye gucanga nasore tutarere imiye nyomberi ya Uhuru Towers lirongo litangani asebale kuruchinsemo cha Kisii kogenda Kisumu agene nyumba ya M Taylor ilio tunyara ko batogosangamo naye na gukinanya bunegisaku kyomugusi. Getembe FM na Getembe Television Network ekeneke unga kya mugusi.